Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to remove the white borders from your Wix website. Adjusting the layout settings helps make your site look cleaner, more modern, and stretched across the screen. To begin, open your browser. When the browser is open, go to wix.com and log into your account. After logging in, go to Manage Your Website. In the upper left, find the Websites section, click All Websites, and then go to your editor. Click Edit Site. Wait for the editor to load. When you are in the website editor, click on the header you want to adjust. We will use this one as an example. Go to the top and click Spacing. You can also check out the new designs. Click Spacing. Here, adjust the spacing so the header fills the space or make it smaller, as you prefer. Adjust the spacing as needed. You can also add shadows if you want. Adjust the opacity of the shadows. You can change the border settings, shadows, corners, and spacing. Adjust it according to your preferences and ideas. With these layout changes, your site will look smoother, more professional, and full width.